this is Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button also, so you can get all the notification when I have posted a video. And for the today's video I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, that is a blue smoky eye makeup tutorial. So this is very quick and super easy to do, and you guys gonna like this video. And please, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And let's start the video without wasting any further time. So let's start. So here I'm going to start with moisturizer, because moisturizer is essential for every makeup. So I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to for concealer part. So here I'm applying Maybelline concealer. So this concealer has a great coverage, so it hides all the mark on your face, like black spots and pigmentation. Now I'm going to apply foundation, which I'm using here Maybelline foundation, that is in the shade of ivory. So this is such a perfect foundation for every skin. You can choose your shade, and this ivory, this is my shade, so I'm applying this. So here I'm just enhancing my eyebrows. So my eyebrow is little thin, so here I'm using brown eyebrow pencil, which is from Maybelline. And now moving to the part contouring. So here I'm using sugar contour, uh, and I especially like the contouring because it enhance your face. So here I'm using eyeshadow palette, which is from also Maybelline. So here I just taken dark brown shade, so outline with this brown eyeshadow. And then I'm applying a blue eyeshadow on top of eyelid. So now I'm applying blush. Here I'm using blush from Lakme, and I'm using here pink shade. So I love to apply blush, and this is my favorite blush from Lakme. I always apply this blush. So this has a great pigmentation, so this is so beautiful. You must try this blush. and this is the final look. And the one thing remaining, that is lipstick, and I'm using here Lakme pink shade lipstick. So I'm applying it little bit, and then after I'm going to apply another lipstick which is from Lotus. I always apply in combination of two lipstick. It gives great look on.
I was walking down the street and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul and then
This is the final look, and it looks very beautiful. And here I'm wearing this top which is from Forever 21, black color off shoulder top. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.